guys, again. I have another box to do, and this one is for January's Glossybox. If you want to see what's in this bad boy, stay tuned. I have absolutely grown to love Glossybox. Maybe like one or two in between that I didn't really, was like not over the top about, but they have like very unique things in their boxes, and it's pretty hard for me not to like them. So yeah, it comes in this black and white pretty box with their little logo all over it, and it says Glossybox on both sides and a label up here. And when you pop it open, it has this really cool box. Usually they have different designs, but this is their staple box. Like this is the pink one, that's their box. So they don't have a design for this month. Lately they've been throwing in this $100 wine voucher card on the top. When you spend $160 or more at this website on the back, you get $100 off. I was saying about the pink box, this is their regular box, and then every once in a while you'll get a themed, really cool designed box. And it's got the little thing inside. Their boxes are so pretty, you just don't want to open them. So this is what I see this month. And this card is for the skin store. $145 free gift. I'll have to look at that. It's always a promo. But see, like, you don't even want to open the bell. I'm such a girl. They have their insert as usual. We'll get into that first. Why do I have two? It must have been a mistake. I have two. And you open it like this. Has all the products in here and the prices and like little tips about the product. So then you have the tissue paper. Again, you don't want to, I don't want to open it. It has a little sticker on here with their logo. And it looks so pretty every month, I swear. This is what I see, which already looks interesting to me. And I will pull the first thing out. Slice mask sheets. Lemon. Let's see. It's by Coco Star. And this retails for $5. Revolutionary in the concept of sheet mask, each slice is infused with nutrients and scents for its namesake fruit. More convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables. Sounds pretty cool. So I'm assuming they're lemon slices, like looking in here. And that's exactly what it is. I was just looking at the mask a little bit more. So there's like 6 slices in here, and you can use them individually, I think. And it's to help clarify the skin tone, resulting in more radiant skin. How to use: apply each slice on a cleansed, dry face. Leave on for 15 and 20 minutes. Massage any excess serum onto skin. It's pretty cool though. I've seen things like this, but I've never tried it. So another skincare Sunday thing maybe. Next thing I pull out. Oh, this is like hefty. It's by Zay. They are beauty wipes. I will never turn them down, ever, ever. Everybody loves beauty wipes, especially if they're good ones. Full size has 90 in them, and they're $12. This has 10 in it, which is perfectly fine for me to try. Perfect for women on the go. Zaya's beauty wipes cleanse and renew without the added need of rinsing your face after taking your makeup off. Infused with rose hip essential oil, skin gets a powerful dose of antioxidants and vitamins, leaving you feeling radiant. Dude, if these are as good as they sound, I will be hooked. I'll have to look up and see if I can only get these online or if I can buy these somewhere. Glancing at the insert, and I'm like really blown away by what's in here and the value of some of this stuff. Might not seem like a shocker to you guys yet, but I'm going to get to this one thing and you're just going to be like, what? So, yeah. There's a highlighting palette in here. That was pretty cool. It's by Sleek Makeup. It retails for $14.99. See if we can open this guy up. A versatile highlight palette with 2 baked powders, 1 cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. Sleek Makeup. Carefully crafted 5 shades to match every skin tone. Why am I challenged when it comes to opening packages? 5 minutes later, I got the box open. The packaging reminds me of Smith & Colt, kind of, except for it doesn't have the little indent thingy here, but it's very shiny. I love Smith & Co. And it's got the sleek makeup written here. Gorgeous full-size mirror in here. And look at these. We'll just do a little swatch of this pink. You guys know I love pink. That's the pink. If it'll... Oh, the green one's the creamy one. My bad. Let's go right here with it. Pretty. You guys know I don't do the best swatches. There's another creamy one here. Oh no. Oh, it comes up like pink. Okay. I'm actually super excited to add that highlighter palette to my collection because I had a highlighting palette and I just got rid of it for Christmas. I gave it to one of my daughters, and I just have like a whole bunch of loose compact highlighters laying around. To have like the whole palette for me is kind of cool. So we have 2 products left, which I'm really blown away by. I don't know which one to show you guys first, but we'll go with the one that's less expensive, I guess. I'm just shocked that it's in a Glossybox because I heard about it. I don't necessarily need this product. I'm really excited. It's Differin Gel. And from what I know about Differin Gel, it's supposed to be like one of the really, it's a newer, up-to-date acne treatment. So that's what I know about Differin Gel. And I think at one period you needed a prescription for it. Now you don't need a prescription. And it's supposed to be really, really good. So let me just read a couple of things real quick off of here because I'm really like blown away that this is in a subscription box. Very, very cool. It does say on here on the back of the box, first FDA approved over-the-counter topical retinoid for acne treatment. And this size is 0.5 ounces and it goes for $13.99. So this is their regular size that they sell, I guess, in the drugstore. It says, ditch your old way of fighting acne and embrace Differin Gel, a revolutionary new treatment. The first over-the-counter product with the retinoid, I think it's Adapalene. You can prevent breakouts and clear up blemishes for beautiful skin without the hassle of waiting for a prescription. Oh, Glossybox was really slick this month. They leaked out one of their spoilers, and I think this was the first spoiler they leaked out. It's by Avant Skincare. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. This is their full size at 50 ml and it retails for $120. Do you see this? It's an anti-aging moisturizer. The cream deeply nourishes and improves dullness for younger looking complexion. The powerful combination of hyaluronic acid, Maris Aqua, and vitamin B3 rejuvenates skin to prevent and reverse signs of aging like crow's feet, wrinkles, dark under eye circles. I am really excited with getting this product. It is very expensive, and I have a feeling that it's going to do exactly what it claims to do. And I'm going to be hooked, and I'm going to be screwed because this little bad boy costs $120. Although I don't use a lot of moisturizer, and you're really not supposed to. When you're doing your face, you don't need a whole ton of, product. So this might last a while, even if I get hooked on it. And then I break it down. Like, let's say this lasts 3 months, and I could just break the $120 down into 3 months. What's that, $40 a month for skincare? I'm going to be hooked. I have no problem with Glossy. I absolutely love them, and they surprise me almost every month. It's not always 100% hit with everything, but they always throw something in there where I'm just like, damn, I can't even complain. Because, like, think about it. If we don't even think about the skincare that they gave us, right? Just count the highlighter. That's $15. And the one skin mask that's got the lemons, that pays for the box. That's it. So we got $120 skin face cream, face wipes, and the Differin Gel on top of it. This box pays for itself and then some. And they're always awesome products, beauty tools, all kinds of cool stuff. I will leave my link down below, my referral link. I don't know if you get a discount, but I think you do off your first box. But if you want to use it, it's down there. If not, that's cool too. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Do you get Glossy? Are you thinking about it? Have you got it before? And what happened? I had so many unboxings to do today, and I had makeup to do and everything. I have one big box left to do, And then I will see you guys on Skincare Sunday, I think. So let me get this video done. I appreciate everybody's support. You guys are so great, especially with everything that's been going on in my life. And I promise that I'd be more consistent this year. Thank you guys for being so understanding and supportive and concerned. If you like this video, hit that like button and comment down below because I love reading your comments. Also, if you're new to this channel, stick around. Try to stick around with us. I'm going to be more consistent this year. We have a schedule and it's going to get a lot of fun. So I will see you again real soon. Bye.